Hello, lovely people. How are you guys doing? Whoa. What? This is how I'm filming next time. Those WhatsApps are getting aggressive. The last 3 days were wild. I've been scrolling through TikTok, completely frying my brain in that TikTok oil, trying to find some good makeup hacks. That good was very good. Yum, 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 yum. Why, it wasn't easy. It wasn't easy. I can't feel my brain anymore. Well, I didn't need like 3 days, but you know how TikTok works. Today's hacks are simply weird, so don't expect this video to be life-changing.
1 hour later.
This is game changer. I wonder what could possibly go wrong. Alright, I'm gonna start off by so for this first hack, I'm gonna need some plastic wrap. What is my hand doing? Helicopter. So maybe you're wondering, Daniel, what you're gonna cover with this plastic wrap? My face, because today I'm looking like a snack and I need to stay fresh. Snacks are always better when they're fresh. In this TikTok video, they're showing us how to do our makeup, but with extra steps. And I love it. I love it, because I also love wasting my time. This is perfect. Also, plastic wrap is involved. They're using it as a stamp for the blush, for the bronzer, for the lipstick. And I'm wondering, why stop there? We can get ridiculously creative with that plastic wrap. I'm gonna make a little opening for my nose, because breathing is my priority today. I need air, and since the TikTok video doesn't really show how to get the makeup on the plastic wrap in the first place, I'll need to get creative and improvise, do it my way, which unfortunately, as we all know, very often turns out to be the dumbest way of doing things. But that's okay, we make mistakes, we learn from them. I think I'm genius. First, we're gonna start off with the contour. I'm not going anywhere without my blush. Guys, I wanna ask you something, but you're gonna answer me honestly. How many times have I done something that went horribly wrong? You know what? Don't answer me honestly. Lie to me. Listen, there were many times when things didn't go according to the plan, but I can't think of a way this will go wrong. This is a recipe for success, my friends. Oh, this face needs some eyebrows. Girl, stay still. I said stay still. I don't know, you guys. I don't know why other people don't want me to do their makeup. I really don't understand. What color eyeshadow should we do? Oh, this is going to be nice. We're doing a full face of makeup, baby. Eyeshadow and everything. You really thought I went for green eyeshadow. How do they do that? I never go for green willingly. Yeah, I'm just messing with you. It was kind of obvious that it was editing. Don't tell me you fall for that. I'm thinking maybe a winged eyeliner will be a good idea. Everyone has a different definition of a good idea. There we go, she's looking gorgeous. Where is my blush going? Blush, where you going? What is missing? Lashes. According to my guidelines, my lashes should be probably somewhere here. Miss, I need you to stay very still for this part. Everything is alright. I don't need you to worry about anything. Guys, I think I'm gonna start off by inserting my nose. That's good. That's perfect. I see absolutely nothing. I don't know what I'm doing.
You're doing great.
How do I look? Am I pretty now? Look at that bottom lip. I got it so accurate. Everything else is a mess though. Oh, an eyelash. Where's the other one? You know what? The idea was good. The execution was awful. So I'm gonna try one more time. Okay, round 2. Nose first. Oh, hey, see, this one is a little better than the previous one. Maybe if I blend it out a little. I'm telling you guys, with a little practice, I can make this work. Well, this almost worked. This time I'm using a different technique. This worked so much better than the first 5 times. Look at my eyeliner. It's almost perfect. I nailed it. I can use this one more time. There is enough. See? Gorgeous. I think that it's clear to all of us how impractical this hack is. But I like the suspense. Because you never know what peeling the plastic wrap will reveal underneath. It's always a surprise, and I like surprises. I can make this work, but it will take me a really long time, so let's just move on to the next one. I have 99 problems and eyeliner is one of them. Well, thankfully, this video over here went super extra mega viral on TikTok. I don't remember how many views it has, but they're like a lot. It shows us how to get perfect winged eyeliner every time. It's very simple, it's very easy. You just have to pick your priorities. Having a perfect winged eyeliner or breathing. I don't know, you guys. I don't know. That's tough. Yeah, shake it, baby. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Ow! My nose is like, why are you disrespecting me like that? So we're just gonna bloop. What if I tell you I can't breathe? My mouth is not getting paid enough to be doing the job of the nose as well. It's here to talk and eat, not breathe. Oh, I need to know. That's the song in the TikTok video. We're also going to bloop. Am I supposed to look like this? Oh, I need to know. Ladies and gentlemen, I present you the new Marvel's superhero, Bandage Woman. So tell us more about your superpowers. Yeah, well, I have tape all over my eyelids so I can't blink properly. Also, I can't breathe. For obvious reasons, and not enough oxygen is getting to my brain because of that. What was the question again? If this works, I'm gonna completely lose it. Okay, some black eyeshadow. Here we go. Moment of truth. Do I like close my eyes? Doesn't matter. We just need to start rubbing it there. Oh my god, this is gonna work. I'm also going to apply some liquid eyeliner just so that the result is a little more long lasting. You ready? Cause I'm not. Ah! Ow, 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 ow. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Guys, it worked. No! It wasn't supposed to work. Why I was roasting it this whole time? Look at that winged eyeliner. Oh, it's perfect. I came over here expecting a disaster. What is this? No! I mean, yes! It's nice that it actually worked, but at what cost? It may need a few touch-ups, but that's only because my tape is a little curly at the edge. Well, maybe if you want to try out this hack, just roll that tape under your nose so that, you can breathe while you're doing this. This has to be one of the fastest way I've seen someone glue on false lashes. Well, except for me at the beginning of this video. That was quick. Yeah, I glue them on. It's not important where. We're gonna need a lash curler, brow wax, lash glue, and false lashes. I mean, duh. I'm gonna try out this hack but with a little twist. Because you can see in that TikTok video that they're gluing on the false lashes under their lashes. I don't want to do that. I'm afraid I'm gonna get glue in my eyes. It's a little dangerous. I don't want my bottom and my upper lashes to stick together. Well, actually the lash glue that they're using is meant for this purpose. It's meant to be applied in that area of the eye. And I don't have that lash glue, so I'm gonna work with whatever I have and try out this hack my way. Because that always works, I'm first going to apply some lash glue very closely to my lash line. Alright, now we're gonna take the brow wax, put it on the lash curler. Oh no, I didn't coat my lashes with mascara. That lash glue is getting tacky. Okay, come on, brow wax. Grab the lashes. Grab them. Alright, we're ready to go. There is no going back now. Alright. Guys, it worked. No way this worked. Oh wow. And see, it's not going anywhere. It's stuck on my eyes. Whoa. It worked and it looks good. It's quick. This is game changer. I'm so excited. I wasn't mentally prepared for success. I came here for fails and disasters and misery. I'm getting none of those. Ah, look, the first hack was surprisingly fun. The eyeliner hack? Oh my god, it worked better than any other eyeliner hack I've ever tried. And now look at that perfect false lash. Ugh, I'm grumpy because I don't have a reason to be grumpy. The struggle is real. Well, the good thing is that I have one more eye over here which is currently false lashless. And this gives me the perfect opportunity to try this hack one more time and find out if this was just pure luck or if the hack actually works. No! But how? It worked again. That's wonderful news. And again, it's perfectly stuck on my skin, not on my lashes. Well, you guys, now you know that you can use your lash curler as your false lashes applicator. We're not done with the lash curler. Oh, come on, you wasn't supposed to see my other hand. So what if it's called lash curler? We don't care about the name. Today, it's a lash curler. Tomorrow, it's lip curler. I don't understand what's going on here. I believe they're doing that in order to get that plumping effect and make their lips look bigger. That's the information I could gather from the hashtags, because they don't really explain why they're doing it. They're just doing it. Okay, I'm ready. Here we go. This hurts. It feels like someone is biting me. I think my lip is turning blue. Should I be concerned? I don't know if they look bigger, but they're definitely numb. I'm not gonna lie, this was actually the second thing I did with my first lash curler. First, I tried curling my lashes and then I was like, I wonder what else I can curl. And I know I'm not the only one who did this, because I looked it up on the internet, okay? Many people tried that for no reason. It's a weird urge. Was this worth it? No, it's only worth it if it works. And this one didn't work. And there you go, guys, we found it. Our first fail for today. It was a little painful, so I don't recommend it. It was but oh my god, the false lashes hack was brilliant. I was never able to apply false lashes that quickly. It was unbelievable. And it's also helping a lot that it's actually curling the false lashes when you're pressing them down, because no one wants their lashes to be pointing straight forward. It's so much better if they're pointing up. But if you guys enjoyed watching this video, then why don't you go ahead and check out this one next? I blame TikTok for that video. Or you can check out this one. That's where TikTok filters picked my makeup. You can find it on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye! Mwah.